Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting adventure. You know I love sharing fun ways to make life a little brighter, right? Well, today I've got something truly special for you. Hold on to your hats because I stumbled onto something amazing. Making money with Google Maps. Yes, you heard that right. I know, it sounds crazy, but stay with me. This isn't just some wild idea, it's a real opportunity. It all started when I was, well, me, getting totally turned around. You know how it is, right? Trying to find that one place and ending up completely lost. Turns out Google Maps isn't just for finding the nearest coffee shop, although that's important too. It's a tool with so much potential. It's like a hidden treasure map, just waiting for you to discover its secrets. And these secrets can be quite lucrative. And guess what? I'm here to spill the beans. I'm going to show you how you can turn this everyday app into a money-making machine. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a journey to discover how Google Maps can put some extra cash in your pocket, up to $300 a day. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. It's easier than you think. And trust me, it's a lot more fun than getting lost in a corn maze. Plus, you'll get to explore new places and maybe even learn a thing or two about your own city. So, how does it work? Well, there are several ways to make money with Google Maps. One of the most popular methods is by becoming a local guide. You can earn points and perks by adding reviews, photos, and information about places you've visited. Another way is by helping businesses improve their online presence. Many small businesses are willing to pay for accurate and updated information on Google Maps. You can offer your services to update their listings, add photos, and even manage their reviews. And let's not forget about the potential for affiliate marketing. By creating custom maps with recommended locations and sharing them on your blog or social media, you can earn commissions from businesses that get traffic from your maps. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you can do this from anywhere. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just exploring your local area, Google Maps can be your ticket to extra income. So what are you waiting for? Grab your smartphone, fire up Google Maps, and start your journey to financial freedom today. Happy mapping, everyone! Picture this. I'm in a new city, famished and desperate for a good vegan burger joint. The streets are bustling, and the aroma of various cuisines fills the air, but I have my heart set on a vegan delight. My stomach's rumbling louder than Portia laughing at one of my jokes. You know that kind of laugh that makes everyone around join in? Yeah, that loud. I pull out my phone, open Google Maps, and start scrolling. The app is my trusty guide in this urban jungle, always ready to point me in the right direction. That's when it hit me. There were hardly any vegan restaurants listed. My excitement quickly turned into frustration. How could a city this big have so few vegan options? Being the helpful soul I am, and because, hello, vegan burger, I decided to add a few places myself. I thought, why not help others who might be in the same predicament? Little did I know, this simple act of kindness would lead me down a rabbit hole of Google Maps rewards and a whole new way to make money. It was like opening a treasure chest I didn't even know existed. It was like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. Pure joy. Suddenly, my quest for a vegan burger turned into an unexpected adventure of earning rewards and discovering hidden gems in the city. Who knew that helping others could be so rewarding in more ways than one? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me introduce you to my partners in crime, Google Maps and the Local Guides program. Think of Google Maps as your treasure map and Local Guides as the friendly pirates guiding you to the gold. As a local guide, you get rewarded for sharing your knowledge about places you visit. It's like being a tourist in your own town, except you get points, badges, and even cold hard cash for your adventures. Who wouldn't want that? Becoming a local guide is easier than parallel parking with Portia in the passenger seat. Just head over to the Google Maps website or app and sign up. It's free and takes about 2 minutes. Seriously, you can do it while waiting for your avocado toast to toast. Once you're in, it's time to unleash your inner explorer. Start by reviewing places you've been to, adding photos, and answering questions from other users. Each action earns you points, moving you up the local guides ranks and unlocking awesome perks along the way. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter of being a local guide, reviews, and photos. Think back to the last time you tried a new restaurant or visited a cool museum. What did you love? What could have been better? Sharing your experiences through detailed reviews and eye-catching photos helps others make informed decisions. Plus, it earns you valuable points. Just be honest, be specific, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. After all, nobody wants to read a boring review. Ready for the real secret sauce? Adding missing places is where the big bucks come in. Remember my vegan burger quest? That's how I discovered this gold mine. Many businesses, especially smaller ones, aren't even on Google Maps yet. By adding them, you're not only doing them a huge favor, but also racking up major points. It's a win-win. Just make sure the information is accurate and complete. My top tips for finding hidden gems. So how do you find these missing places? It's not as hard as you might think. It's like a scavenger hunt, but way more rewarding. Imagine the thrill of discovering a quaint little cafe or a unique bookstore that no one else knows about. Here are my top tips. First, explore your own neighborhood. You'd be surprised how many hidden gems are right under your nose. Sometimes, the best places are just a short walk away. Talk to local business owners. They know the area better than anyone else. They're a wealth of information and will appreciate you adding them to the map. Plus, they might even give you some insider tips. Check online directories and social media. Many hidden gems have an online presence, even if they're not on Google Maps yet. By doing a little research, you can uncover places that are off the beaten path. Remember, the more places you add, the more points you earn, and the closer you get to that $300 a day. So get out there, start exploring, and happy hunting for those hidden gems. How Google rewards your efforts. Okay, time for the million-dollar question, or should I say $300 a day question. How does Google actually pay you? Well, it's not exactly direct deposits into your bank account. Google rewards your contributions through a points system. As you level up, you unlock various perks, including early access to new Google products, invitations to exclusive events, and yes, even cashback rewards and Google Play credits. The more you contribute, the more you earn. Taking the Google Maps money plunge. So there you have it, folks, my not-so-secret guide to making money with Google Maps. It's fun, easy, and a great way to explore your city and support local businesses. Who knows, you might even discover your new favorite spot. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single tap on your phone. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start exploring, and watch the rewards roll in. And hey, if you find any amazing vegan burger joints, be sure to share the location. Happy mapping!